Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy you are here. I teach simple English for real life. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will help you learn how to talk about study habits. Today the episode is about how I prepare for exams. This is an important topic for many students. I will share clear steps. I will share tips that you can use right away. First, I will say why planning is important. Exams can feel big and hard. A plan makes the work small. A plan makes the work clear. A plan reduces worry. You can start early. You can study a little each day. Small steps add up. You can make a list of topics. You can mark what you know and what you do not know. This is a good start. Second, set a study schedule. A schedule is a simple plan for time. Use a notebook or a page on your phone. Write the date. Write the subject. Write the topic. Write the time you will study. Study for short blocks. Study for 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Then take a short break. A short break can be 5 to 10 minutes. A break helps your brain rest. A rest helps you keep focus. Third, gather study materials. Get your books and notes. Get past exams if you can. Get practice tests. Use a clean notebook for new notes. Use pens or pencils. Use highlighters if you like color. Use index cards for flashcards. Flashcards help with quick review. Use a quiet place to study. Turn off notifications on your phone when you study. A quiet place helps you focus. Fourth, use active study methods. Read is not enough. You must do work with the material. Try these methods. Ask yourself questions about the topic. Write short answers. Use flashcards and test yourself. Teach the idea to a friend or to an empty chair. Teaching helps you remember. Solve practice problems. Time yourself on problems. Check your answers. Learn from mistakes. Active study is powerful. Fifth, use spaced repetition. Do not study the same thing for many hours at one time. Study a topic today. Review the topic in 2 days. Review again in 5 days. This helps the memory. Use a calendar to mark reviews. Spaced repetition helps you keep information for a long time. Sixth, do full practice tests. A full test means you do a whole exam like the real day. Time yourself. Do not use notes. Use a quiet place. This shows your speed and knowledge. After the test, mark your answers. Check each wrong answer. Learn the reason for mistakes. Make a small note for each error. This makes your study better. Seventh, work with others. Study groups can help. Find friends who want to learn. Each person can teach a topic. Ask questions and answer. Be kind and patient. Group study can make learning fun. But be careful. Do not talk too much. Stay focused on study. Eighth, ask for help. Talk to your teacher. Ask for a simple explanation. Ask for extra practice. Ask a tutor if you need one. A clear explanation can save time. Do not be shy to ask for help. Ninth, plan the days before the exam. Make a revision list. Mark the most important topics. Make a short plan for the last 3 days. On the last day, do a calm review. Do not try to learn many new topics at the last minute. Focus on quick review and key ideas. 10th, get good sleep and eat well. Sleep is part of study. A tired brain learns less. Try to sleep 7 to 9 hours if you can. Eat healthy food. Drink water. Avoid too much sugar before the exam. A calm body helps clear thinking. 11th, make a plan for exam day. Check the time and the place. Pack your bag the night before. Bring pens, pencils, eraser, and any allowed calculator. Bring your ID or exam card if needed. Bring a water bottle. Wear comfortable clothes. Arrive early. A calm start sets a calm tone. 12th, use exam time wisely. Read the instructions first. Read all the questions. Start with the easy questions. Mark hard questions and return to them later. Watch the time. Give time for review if you can. Stay calm and breathe slowly. If you get stuck, move on. Come back when you have time. 13th, review after the exam. Check what went well. Check what did not go well. Learn from the exam. Use this to make a better plan for the next exam. Every exam is a chance to improve. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. This is a short monologue. You can use this to practice speaking. Read it out loud. Repeat lines that I say. I will give simple lines and a short story about study habits. You can pause and repeat at any time. Hello, my name is Maria. I am a student. I am in grade 12. I study for school exams. I make a study plan. I study every day after school. I study for 45 minutes. Then I take a short break. I use flashcards for keywords. I do practice tests on the weekend. I ask my teacher for help when I do not understand. I sleep well the night before the exam. I pack my bag the night before. I go to the exam calm and ready. Repeat after me. I study every day. I use flashcards. I do practice tests. I sleep well. Repeat after me slowly. I study every day. Pause the video now if you need time. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Take your time and speak aloud. Now I will continue the monologue. I wake up early on the exam day. I eat a light breakfast. I check my bag. I check my ID. I leave with time to spare. At the exam room, I read the instructions first. I read all the questions. I answer the easy ones first. I mark the hard ones to return to later. I watch the time. I breathe slowly when I feel stress. I review my answers if I have time. I submit my paper with calm. Repeat after me. I read the instructions first. I answer the easy questions first. I breathe slowly. Repeat these lines 2 times. I read the instructions first. I answer the easy questions first. You can pause again and repeat a sentence from this part. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will show a longer example of a study day. This is a step-by-step plan you can try. Read it out loud. Use it as a model. You can change the times to fit your life. Start the day with a calm morning. Have a healthy breakfast. Review your flashcards for 10 minutes. Go to school and listen in class. In the afternoon, take 30 minutes to rest after school. Then study for 60 minutes on the first subject. Take a 10-minute break. Study for 45 minutes on the second subject. Take a longer break for lunch. In the evening, do practice questions for 45 minutes. Review your notes for 20 minutes before bed. Sleep on time. Repeat after me. Review flashcards for 10 minutes. Study for 60 minutes. Do practice questions. Review notes before bed. Repeat slowly. Review flashcards for 10 minutes. Study for 60 minutes. Do practice questions. Now I will share more simple tips. Tip 1. Plan with small goals. A small goal can be 1 chapter or 5 pages. Tip 2. Use a timer. A timer helps you focus. Tip 3. Make quick notes. Write 1 sentence that explains the idea. A quick note is easy to review. Tip 4. Use color for key ideas. Highlight only the most important words. Tip 5. Make a pre-exam checklist. This list can include items to pack and the time to leave. Here are some stress control tips. If you feel nervous, breathe slowly. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 2 counts. Breathe out for 4 counts. Repeat 3 times. Move your shoulders and relax your neck. Think good thoughts. Tell yourself you have prepared. Say this sentence aloud. I am prepared. I can do this. Repeat it 2 times. I am prepared. I can do this. Now I will give a few words about motivation. Keep a reason for your study in mind. A reason can be a goal or a dream. Write the reason on a small card. Read the card before you study. Small rewards can help. A reward can be a short walk or a small snack. Celebrate progress. If you finish a topic, give yourself a short reward. Here is a list of items to pack for the exam. Pack these items the night before. Pens and pencils. Eraser and sharpener if you need. A calculator if it is allowed. Your ID or exam card. A watch or a simple clock if allowed. Water in a clear bottle. A light snack for long exams if allowed. A jacket in case the room is cold. Pack early and sleep well. Now a final short review of the main steps. Make a plan early. Study a little each day. Use active study methods. Use flashcards and practice tests. Get good sleep and eat well. Make an exam day plan. Stay calm and breathe. Learn from each exam. Now one more short practice. I will say a sentence and you will repeat. I will say it 3 times. First say it after me. Then say it again. Then say it loud and slow. Here is the sentence. I study a little each day. I study a little each day. I study a little each day. Now you say it. You can pause now and practice. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence again. Practice speaking and do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Thank you for listening to this long lesson. I hope the steps are clear. I hope you can use these ideas in your study. If you try one idea each week, you will improve. Small steps make a big change. Keep a calm mind and a steady plan. That is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.